Hello and welcome. My name is Sarah King. I'm the subject leader for the BA Honours Fine Art programme at Plymouth College of Art. The Fine Art team are all practising artists with national and international exhibition profiles, with experience of writing for publication and working collaboratively.
Hi, I'm Homa Mulji and I'm a lecturer in fine art here at Plymouth College of Art.
Fine art at Plymouth College of Art is characterised by its focus on the development of individual practice-based study. So this means that our students work within the supportive context of an independent and specialist art college.
One of the things that's unique about Plymouth College of Art is that it's relatively still a small college, and it's specifically an art school. We offer a rich ecosystem of materials, processes, technologies. Our workshops are open to students across specialisms. You can test your ideas in tutorials with staff, but also through cross-disciplinary making and collaboration.
With access to dedicated space in Studio 11, students are supported in developing their emerging practice.
Our materials labs consist of metals, ceramics, glass, wood, and plaster. This means that you can hand build or throw pots, glaze and fire objects. You can work with hot and cold glass. You can make molds and cast them in a range of materials. You can learn to weld, forge, or use a plasma cutter. There are enameling kilns and industry standard equipment for vacuum casting and electroforming.
We're interested in your curiosity and the questions that you bring. These questions will form the start of your journey and your inquiry in fine art practice. So if you would like to find out more about the Fine Art programme and you would like to be part of creative and dynamic community of Plymouth College of Art, then please get in touch.